Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world where cutting-edge robotics meets the thrill of two wheels, the next generation of motorcycle manufacturing. The motorcycle industry is evolving, and robotics is leading the charge. Robotics has revolutionized many industries, and motorcycle manufacturing is no exception. Automated robots are now integral to the production process, performing tasks that were once the domain of skilled human workers. This shift brings several advantages. First, there's increased precision. Robots can execute tasks with incredible accuracy, far surpassing human capabilities in certain areas. This leads to higher quality motorcycles with fewer defects. Consistent quality is a key benefit. Second, robots boost efficiency. They can work tirelessly, 247, without breaks, dramatically speeding up production times. This translates to more motorcycles being produced in less time, helping to meet consumer demand. The production rate is significantly enhanced. Third, there's enhanced safety. Robots handle dangerous tasks, such as welding and painting, reducing the risk of injuries to human workers. This creates a safer working environment. Worker safety is prioritized. Let's look at specific applications. Robots are used extensively in welding frames and chassis. They ensure strong, accurate welds, crucial for the motorcycle's structural integrity. Welding robots are very common. Painting is another area where robots excel. They apply paint evenly and consistently, creating a flawless finish. The precision of the paint job is remarkable. Assembly lines also benefit. Robots place parts with speed and precision, streamlining the assembly process. This leads to faster assembly times. Robotics also allows for customization. Advanced systems can be programmed to handle various motorcycle models, adapting to different specifications and designs. Versatility is a key factor. The integration of robotics isn't just about automation, it's about optimizing the entire manufacturing process. Data analytics and AI are being integrated, allowing manufacturers to monitor production in real time. Data analysis is very important. This data helps identify bottlenecks, optimize resource allocation, and improve overall efficiency. Predictive maintenance, another aspect, allows for equipment repairs to be scheduled proactively, minimizing downtime. Proactive maintenance is very helpful. The future of motorcycle manufacturing is undeniably linked to robotics. We can expect even more sophisticated robotic systems, enhanced by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Continuous improvement is key. These advanced systems will further increase efficiency, improve quality, and pave the way for innovative designs and technologies. Expect to see robots in more advanced roles. In conclusion, robotics is not just a trend, but a transformative force in the motorcycle industry.